Okay, hi guys, me again, and yeah, as you can see, the old passenger train, wagon, car is still here. Nothing has been done yet, and it's been like what? About I think 3 weeks ago now that it burned, and it's still here. Now, I'd like to show the damage to you guys from the inside, but I'd rather not. I'm not sure how stable it is in there. I'd rather not risk it, but I think this should be enough. Yeah, for those of you don't know, this used to be a really, somewhat beautiful passenger car if it had been maintained properly. But now it's completely burnt out. Well, almost completely burnt out. There's still some left over. Now I think the fire seems to have started here on this side, because the damage seems to be most intense on this side, and it must have spread via either the top there, either through the top there, or possibly through the what do you call it, the hallway at the other side. I'll show you guys just now, but it seems that the fire may have possibly started on this side. There's another passenger car still there, and yeah, I'll just quickly show you guys where the fire may have potentially spread as well. Now the fire may have spread through this area over here. Here on this side. Because it also seems to be quite intense on this side of the car as well. Hold on. Maybe, you know what? I'm gonna try and risk it. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna go show you guys from over here. This is where I'm gonna go in as close as I can. Yeah. Fire may have started somewhere over there, that side, then spread through this hallway here. This may have been the bathroom area, then further up would have been more of the sleeping areas. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that it's still here, still burnt out completely, and I don't know how long it's gonna stay here. So yeah, till next time, see you around.